In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a high-resolution PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is particularly useful when you need a document optimized for high-quality printing. Let's dive right in and get started on making sure your PDFs are of the highest standard for your printing needs. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't already installed the software or aren't familiar with it, don't worry. It's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Once your PDF is open, navigate to the top menu bar and locate the File option. Clicking on File will drop down a menu where you'll then select Save as Other, which will lead you to another set of options. Here, choose Press Ready PDF, PDFX. This particular format, PDFX, is specifically engineered for high-quality printing, ensuring each detail in your document remains crisp and clear at output. After selecting the Press Ready PDF, PDFX option, a Save As dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you'll see a button labeled Settings. Clicking this button will open a new dialog called Pre-Flight, which is integral to preparing your document for professional-grade printing. Inside the pre-flight dialog, you need to select a suitable profile. For this purpose, the PDF X4 profile is a reliable choice as it ensures your document adheres to high-quality print standards. However, if your specific printing setup or requirements differ, you might see other high-quality print profiles available. Choose the one that best suits your needs or consult with your print service provider if you're unsure. Once you've chosen a profile, there's an opportunity to apply any corrections your document might need. This could involve addressing issues with image resolution, fonts, or color spaces. Make those necessary adjustments to ensure your document's integrity, and then click OK to confirm your choices and close the pre-flight dialog. Now that you've gone through the necessary setup for exporting your document in the PDF-X format, you can save the file with confidence. Simply proceed with saving, and what you'll have is a print-ready, high-resolution PDF. This final document will not only be ideal for your printing requirements, but will also maintain the quality necessary for professional presentations or publications. And there you have it. Your PDF is now converted into a high-resolution version, ready for any kind of high-quality printing within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. We hope this guide has helped clarify the process and empowered you to produce the best possible output from your PDF files. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to make your work not only easier, but exceptional.